Hi, it's Evelyn here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of the IG Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines from the Middle East. Security tightened at Dubai Jebel Ali churches. USWAS to spellbind Dubaites with its mega cultural show Shirwa Utsav 2008. Here's what we have in our local news. Former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy launches JDS Jaitra Yatra in coastal Karnataka. Holy Rosary Church Alanga's religious play Sumya So Pasham draws large crowds. And in our entertainment bash, we have songs from Konkani Nirantari and a Hindi song from the musical evening held at Town Hall. News in detail. The Holy Week has begun and the Christian expatriates in the UAE are solemnly preparing for Easter. But for the first time in the history of the country, Dubai authorities have issued unprecedented security guidelines to the Dubai and Jebel Ali churches. Since last Friday, March 14th, Jebel Ali and Dubai churchgoers are not permitted to park the cars near the church. A special arrangement has been made for parking away from the church premises. At the church entrance, all the people will have to go through a security screening. This will run through Maundy Thursday, Good Friday, Holy Saturday and Easter Sunday. Dr. Jamal Mohammed Al-Meri, Deputy Commander-in-Chief of Dubai Police, confirmed to the media that the police were positioned to check people attending celebrations and events that involved gathering of large crowds at one place. Asked whether there were any specific threat, Al-Meri downplayed fears, saying that there was no such threat. UAE St. Mary's Welfare Association of Shirwa, an association of Shirwa parishioners residing in UAE under the leadership of Canute Matthias, is setting the stage for its Shirwa Utsav 2008, which will be held on March 28 at the famous Grand Hotel in Dubai. The event will have lots of fun games, spot prizes and dances from local talents. Shirwa's well-known comedians, Boss Cum Beggars, will bring out some of the comedy skits. Well-known band Sweet Melodies of Dubai, led by Arun Carlo, along with 6 other musicians, will provide live musical entertainment for Shirwa Utsav 2008. Guitarist Raj Gopal will be flown all the way from Mangalore to add excellent guitar backing for the musical entertainment. Well-known singers Jossie Barboza and Asha Mabin will also perform. With only a few months left for the state assembly elections, Karnataka is showing all the signs of becoming a virtual battlefield for the major political parties to show up their strength. Political leaders are leaving no stone unturned to woo the voters. S.M. Krishna's poll eve return to state politics is expected to strengthen Congress party. JDS is also doing its pre-poll stunts by launching Jaitra Yatra. HDK was in Mangalore on Tuesday, March 18th to launch his Yatra in coastal Karnataka, where he played down the Krishna effect. S.M. Krishna's re-entry into state politics has given a hint that all the political parties are gearing up for assembly elections. It was evident at the JDS party workers' meet held in Mangalore to mark the launching of Jaitra Yatra in the coastal Karnataka. Former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy, launching the party's Jaitra Yatra in coastal Karnataka on Tuesday, March 18, said that it is time that the electorate in the state rejected Congress and BJP parties and vote for a party which fulfills their needs and aspirations.
20 ತಿಂಗಳ ನನ್ನ ಆಡಳಿತದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷ ಏನು ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಂತ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳೇನಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಈ ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಜನರ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸತಕ್ಕಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
He said the state's fortune would not improve as long as the major political parties BJP and Congress continue to be at the helm of affairs.
ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರೇ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲೇ, ಅದು ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದ ನೇತೃತ್ವ ವಹಿಸೆ 145ರಿಂದ 65ಕ್ಕೆ ಇಳಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮುಖಾನೇ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ನೇತೃತ್ವ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಏನು ವಹಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಿಂಚಿತ್ತೂ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು BJPಗೆ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಇನ್ನು 10 ಅಲ್ಲ 100 ವರ್ಷ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಅವರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸ್ತೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಸಕರುಗಳ ಒತ್ತಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಣಿದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷ ಉಳಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲೇ ಅವತ್ತು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
Referring to recent announcement by the Governor Rameshwar Thakur to start 10,000 self-help groups exclusively for the farmers, he said seeds for this venture were sown during his tenure.
ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆದೆ, ಅನುಭವ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಶಾಸಕನಾಗಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗೋದೆ. ನನಗೊಂದು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸವಾಲಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದ 5.5 ಕೋಟಿ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ದ್ರೋಹ ಬಗೆದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಆ 20 ತಿಂಗಳು ನನ್ನ ಆಡಳಿತವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಪಕ್ಷಗಳ ಸಹಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಈ JDS ಪಕ್ಷವನ್ನು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ತರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದಿನದವರೆಗೆ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ ಪಡೆಯತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
A large number of party workers turned up for the convention held at Town Hall. Former MLC MC Nanaya and former Minister Amarnath Chetty and other JDS leaders were present. Holy Week is the last week of Lent, the week immediately preceding Easter Sunday. It is observed in many Christian churches as a time to commemorate and enact the suffering and death of Jesus through various observances and services of worship. While some church traditions focus specially on the events of the last week of Jesus' life, many of the liturgies symbolize large themes that mark Jesus' entire ministry. Holy Rosary Church Alangar Mudibidri, apart from holding daily liturgical services, organized a play Somya Sopashao. Parishioners in large number watched the play. For Christians all over the world, the Holy Week begins with a celebration of Palm Sunday. It was no exception to the parishioners of the Holy Rosary Church Alangar in Mudibidri. Somya Sopashao, the Lord's Passion, was depicted by nearly 100 actors belonging to the Alangar Church. The play drew more than 3,000 people from all over the diocese. This play beautifully narrated the passion, crucifixion and death of Jesus. So touching was the play, people were spotted shedding tears. Directed by Frederick D'Souza Mudarangadi, the play was organized by the Divine Mercy Charismatic Group. Music was directed by Herald Tauro. Father Vincent D'Souza, parish priest of Alangar Church, Father Dennis Prabhu, Vicar General of Mangalore Diocese, Stephen Mendes, proprietor of V4 Channel, and Sylvester Rego, president of Divine Mercy Charismatic Group, were present.
Anita Sushegut Jari Guru.
तुझ्या हाती
That's all we have from our news desk. It is time for us to take a break here. On the other side of the break, we have lots of entertainment programs to rock you buffs. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.
Apurva for Apt Lab.
बहरेनार आणि मस्कतार जाय पडल्यात. हाऊस नर्स, हाऊस ड्रायव्हर, हाऊस टीचर्स, हाऊस गार्डनर, ब्युटिशियन, बेबी सिटर्स, सेल्स गर्ल्स, हाऊस मेड्स, अरेबिक कुक आणि हाऊस बॉयज मुंबईत रावची. गांवांतावन मुंबई इंटरनॅशनल एअरपोर्टाक पावोवची वेवस्था, इमिग्रेशन, टिकेट आणि मेडिकल सगळे सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर करता. फोटो सांगता अर्जी धाडूंक विळास सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर, पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर 1302, मँगलोर 575006. सिलेक्शन मॅनेजर आता 23व्या वर्सांत.
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.